How to get your child into the very best private schools in and around Baltimore City. Parents, before you get started, go ahead and take about 15 minutes. List your child's name and all of his or her accomplishments. Basically, we're going to make a resume for your child. Collect all of your income documents now. It's important to note that awards are generally given to children that exhibit some form of high academic achievement or some type of special talent or athletic ability. It all starts with a Google search. Private schools near me. Make a list. Read reviews. Talk to your friends, family, and community members. Attend a school event. It's important to note, if you're interested in the next academic year, you're late. You must get started now. On your list, you need to include at least 3 to 5 schools. Call each school and ask to be connected to the admissions department. During that conversation, you're going to slide in there that you need an application fee waiver. The conversation is going to go like this. Hi, my name is Latasha, and I'm really interested in my child attending. Can you please send me an admissions packet? Thank you. Also, are there any fee waivers available? The way that you present yourself matters. It's important that you use the right tone of voice. Make sure you are in a quiet space. Make sure that any written correspondence doesn't have any misspelled words. I think it's important to approach this like you're looking for a job. They have something that you want. A lot of times they're giving you more money than colleges would. Once you receive the admissions packet, check and see how they handle shadow days, child interview, and parent interviews. A lot of schools have shadow days already. If you go to their website, you can already see shadow days allocated on their calendar. The application. Be prepared for your child to write a essay or a writing sample. The parent interview is very similar to the job interview. Good luck and Godspeed.